Sometimes you can love on a friend by giving them food. Look at this. These are seeds I planted for my girlfriend. And that's a pool with no water. So love could come in many different forms. My love to my friends comes in the form of food, because look at this. This is March. It's not cool. Green leaves usually grow in the winter and early spring. But here we are. Look at that. Look at that bunch. Look at it. So sometimes you can love on your friends with what you have. So this is what I have to do. I have to walk on the stones to go over there. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And look at how few the bunches are. They're just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one 10. Just 10 bunches of these Sananga seeds, Sananga Swiss chard. These are seeds I've been planting for the last, the last 4 or 5 years. And I'm in Maricopa, Arizona, and just look at this harvest. This is love for a friend. So here I am in the sweltering heat in 92 degrees, plucking them for my friend. And then I'm going to chop them, wash them. I already washed them with water because I like them turgid. So I wash them. So here I am. Sorry, the video is a bit confusing because I just have one hand. And then I picked up at the base. Oh, that has fallen. No. So both Swiss chard, you try and pick at the root as far as possible. Oh my God. Tragedy. But I got it. And I'll pick some more from there. Oops, sorry, my hair is on the way. But oops. Oh no, I plucked the plant. Oh my goodness. Disorganized, but passionate and caring is what I am. I made it. So here I am. And I have to walk on the stones again. But I'll make it with my love bundle. Here's my love bundle. I have to walk on the steps with my bare feet. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, there you go. So look, here's my bunch. Fresh, turgid, and I'm loving on my friend by giving her the best of who I am, which is food, because she doesn't have a green thumb. So you can get Sananga seeds by subscribing onto my website, nkatha.kimathi.com. If you subscribe, I'll give you free seeds. And these seeds have lasted me for over 4 years because they're sustainable and organic. So each year when my kale sprouts, I make more seeds. And that's how I got here. And now I'm walking into my friend's home that I'm just overseeing for her while she's gone. True love, this is what you do for a friend. Just take care of their home when they're not there. I mean, what does it cost? An extra hour or two? So here I am. Then I'm going to come, make some nice food and enjoy. So subscribe to nkatha.kimathi.com if you want some of these seeds, which I'll be super happy to give you. Subscribe. Let me know, and then I'll contact you privately for your address, and then I will give you some of this goodness, green goodness. Look at that. This is just like 10 seeds that worked out. So life is abundant. See you soon.